This is basically my door, which I had painted very well, as I show you in the previous video that how this door looks like. At that time it is very dirty, but see how I put it paint on this and make it very beautiful. So actually I had decorated this door with beautiful flowers. See, I think it is looking very beautiful now. So this is my main door of studio, as you had seen, and now here comes my almirah. Watch the full view. Like, this is door, curtains, lights, and this is very stuff which something is for photo shoot and something is for decoration, and working area, that is PC and speakers. This is another side wall. As you are seeing, it also contains many things. And another walls include client gallery to put pictures of my client, various pictures. So this is one wall. Okay. This is my cupboard. So how it looks, please comment. I think it is looking very wonderful. So all things are decorated by me and created by me. This is very beautiful doll. This is very beautiful doll, as you are seeing this. And this is also my creation, that is CD-based CDs. And this is my nehcreation posters and all. So let me show you the clear picture of my door. Okay. So clear picture is like, yeah, now clear. So this is clear picture. So how it looks.